What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is a hair on burner. Today we're continuing with some more shellfish on today, some more seafood, if you will. So guys, first up I'm going to get some romaine lettuce. I know his recipe actually calls for lamb's lettuce. I could not find that within the life of me. I could not find lamb's lettuce anywhere. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to cut down the middle 3 times, turn to the side, and chop across. And honestly guys, this is very quick and very easy. I just want to chop down a beautiful green apple. And I kind of want these to be in the shape of a matchstick. So I'm just going to go across. They're almost like French fries. Just want them nice and thinly sliced. Then we take a lemon and a zester, and we just take a lemon and just zest over our salad, making it nice, refreshing, nice and citrusy. Give it some of its juice. And then to it we add salt. Add some olive oil. And we just give that a nice toss. And then to prevent from browning, we want to give this a wrap and then put it under refrigeration until we're ready. Fuel. We want to take our beautiful fresh scallops. We want to cook these 90 seconds on each side. Let's get nice and crispy. And first we want to drain out all of that extra liquid and water. A little olive oil in our pan. We want to salt and pepper both sides. We want the seasoning to be just like this. Then clockwise. 12, 1, 2, 3. While this cooks, I'm going to add a little butter so we can baste and give it more flavor at the end. Now the first one's ready. We're going to give this one a turn. Second. Third. And fourth. Just a few more seconds for these to cook. The smell is absolutely phenomenal in here. And guys, I can't wait to plate this for you guys and we can give this a good taste. This paper towel to drain. Take off a beautiful scallop. Right now we take a beautiful apple salad in the middle of the pan. So we take a beautiful apple salad to the middle of the pan. Take a couple of them, just rest them on top. One here. One here. One here. One here. And now, ladies and gentlemen, you have the most beautiful plate of scallops and apple salad, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Thank you guys for so much for hanging out with me today, guys. Hopefully you're having a great and wonderful Sunday, and hopefully you guys make this at home. Let me know how it was for you. I found this quite easy for my first time actually making scallops. I'm quite satisfied with the results. Hopefully you guys are too. Thank you all so much once again. Hopefully hit that like button, subscribe, and comment, and share with your friends. And of course, guys, always have a great one. This was Easy Cooking with the Hair On. Thank you all so much.